Welcome to another video of Any at Acres and today's episode of Amateur Homesteading. So if you want some really good advice on how to get that real crisp throttle response on your chainsaw, when you first hit the trigger, give the little take up and you want immediate speed, otherwise a lot of times it'll die, I would honestly head on over to Steve's Small Engine Saloon. And what he's going to do is he's going to tell you to get over to your old throttle adjustment screw here, or idle adjustment screw, I guess you want to call it. And you're going to twist it until your chain just starts moving. Just starts moving a little bit. And then you're going to pop over to your low adjustment screw, and you're going to turn that in, but there's two spots in the carburetor where it's going to die. One spot it's going to turn it up, and one spot it's going to slow it down, and you're kind of finding this little crisp, nice, sweet spot in between, and that seems to give you your immediate take up on your super crisp throttle response. Because remember, these bad boys run like 12 to 14,000 RPMs at the extreme cutting power. So anyway, today's quick video, Steve's Small Engine Saloon, I think is it. I'm going to learn how to hashtag these so you guys can get those too. But quick note for today. Thanks. Have a great day.